Maybe they're all gone.
Yeah. What up, what up? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here in San Clemente skate park / dog park. But we're gonna go to the bike park area. Martin's here, so is Crystal. We're rocking our mid-drive bikes. I have the Spark Luna Cycle Build BBS HD. Crystal has her BBS02. Martin has his YT 4-core E-Bike. With that said, let's get it. We just came from San Diego, actually La Jolla. We did a crazy nice canyon hike at a Ho Chi Minh Trail. Super fun. And now, on our way home, we're hitting up San Clemente. This is Crystal's first time, by the way. Martin's been here like 4 times, and this is my second time. Alright, I remember it was left. Yeah. So, Phil's World, that's a blue trail. We're not doing that. We're gonna try to take it easy because Crystal's with us. And we're somewhat tired from the road trip. Whole shot. Shot put. That was close. Yeah, so this is nice and flowy.
Ready?
Yeah.
Anything else I need to know about?
Nope. Just have fun. It's green, so you're good. Green light. Whole shot. Here we go. It was right off the bat. Woo. Optional jumps. Holy moly, Crystal. You attacked the jump? There's optional stuff. You okay? You attack the jumps, there's optional. Everything here is optional. You hit the ramp already. Good recovery. So she has dirt from hiking earlier, not for mountain biking. Let it ride a little. Good job. Nice work. Sneak action. Yeah, buddy. Just throttle your way. Nice. It's good, right? Nice and flowy. It's a perfect day, too. Not too cold, not too warm. Some overcast. Oh, I just need momentum. Oh, it's easy, Crystal. That was nice. Yeah. Nice, Crystal. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Good job. See? It's more enjoyable if you just throttle. That also keeps your balance. I, on the other hand, should be pedaling more because I didn't charge my bike from yesterday. I started this ride at like 70%. And I only have 49 volts left. Keep your pedals leveled so you're not foot striking. Very scenic, very leisure, and very green from the last time I was here. It was, a lot of things were brown and dry. So just start right here already. Throttle. Go here. See, I'm just throttling mainly. Yeah. You got it. Take your time. Just throttle and lean forward, Crystal.
Yeah. Your body weight kind of forward.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's somewhat steep there.
Ready?
Yeah. Am I glad I wore pants? I'm sure Martin's getting scratched. I'm sure his legs are getting scraped left and right. Throttle. Good. Yeah, you could ride like that the whole way, to be honest. See, your right hand, just put one finger on the right brake and you're like perfect. You know when to slow down and you know how to accelerate. Let the bike take care of everything. You're doing good. Everyone is probably in the blue and the black diamond trails. Yeah. Don't worry. Eddie didn't make this one either.
Do a wheelie.
Haha. Do a wheelie, Crystal. Do a wheelie.
I got you.
Haha. I sent you the slow-mo of your wheelie. Did you catch it? It lasts longer. Ooh, nice. Oh, power wheelie. Haha.
Holy shit, I'm getting tired. Never mind.
Let me try. No, I don't have enough battery. Ooh. Let's make our way. See those subtle jumps? Alright. Subtle jumps coming up. Not really anyone here yet on this Monday afternoon. Pre-riding it. Blue Diamond. Blue Dia. That's just a drop. You got it. Martin, this isn't it. I don't remember that drop, but okay. I don't even remember seeing that sign at all. Blue chair. No, this isn't the run that I remember. Alright, Crystal's gonna rest a little bit. I'm gonna follow Martin and his lines while I still have battery. Sending it down bender. Blue chair. This is the one?
Yeah.
Yeah. But this ramp right here is new.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks new. And there's like a chute. Here we go, follow a mediocre line. Whew. Pre-riding it. Snake eyes versus trail crossing. Man, these jumps are nuts. Yeah. Woo! Sick. He wants to follow a pro. Yeah, I can't catch him. They're freaking gone. Oh, Martin sent that one. I saw him, but I didn't catch it on camera, but he got it. Nice. I gotta switch bikes. I gotta use Crystal's bike because I'm out of battery in this one. He sent it. I'm proud of him. He jumped like one of the jumps.
Oh,
Yeah.
Those kids are really going down, huh?
Yeah, dude. That guy was a pro. He was 20 feet jumping in the air. I'm switching bikes. I'm switching to your bike. Mine is almost out of battery. Alright, I'm on Crystal's bike. Because trying to save battery from my bike was running out of battery. Nice, Martin. He caught the that wooden ramp. Oh my gosh, Crystal's bike feels like a kid's bike. Ooh. Holy smokes, Crystal's bike. Which way did Martin go? I totally lost him. But we're gonna go here. We're gonna go where the chute is. Whew. Uh-oh. Ooh. Man, Mamma Mia. I lost you.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure which way you took.
Dude, you get so much speed. I feel like you're doing like after that bridge. There's a big one. Big.
Ballsy Martin. You got this. This actually looks pretty easy. Yeah! Woo! Alright, so we determined that I'm not gonna do that jump. It's too gnarly. Too gnarly for Crystal's bike. Too much clanking already. I gotcha. Whoa! Yeesh. Martin cased that one. He didn't have enough speed. Nice. Ooh, Martin's doing some jumps. Whew. Oh, send it. You got some jumps?
Oh, yeah. Getting better, too.
Nice. Alright, last run. Martin's sending it like crazy. Oh, I'm in the ruts already. Nice. Saw him clear that. No, thank you. I'm good. I'm not 100% on my wrist, so I'm not gonna do something I'm not comfortable with. Thank you. Whew. Crystal's bike is like a rough horse. I feel all the bumps, not a lot of travel. Whew. Alright, I got that jump at least. And then super sender. Heck yeah. Oh man. Alright folks, we're gonna be having dinner and also resting it up at the San Clemente outlets. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on the Super73 Ariel Rider or a DIY Bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys on the next ride. Peace. Oh shit. Ah, power jump. Yeah. Whew. Alright, we're out of here. I broke your bike.
Why?
Just kidding.